Hi, welcome to this tutorial on utilizing vocal stems with us at Point Blank Music School. My name is Risa, and I'm going to be showing some techniques that I usually use on Logic Pro X. Let's begin. This video is about utilizing vocal stems. Pink tracks are the vocal tracks for my Glide remix, and I'm going to show you some of the techniques that I used in this track. 1. Making layers. This is a really simple technique. I have 3 tracks for the lead vocal, and I'm layering the chorus with this. This is the same stem as the lead vocal, but I'm lowering it by 12 notes, which is an octave. Let me play them together. The layer adds some weight to the lead vocal, so it sounds thicker and richer with the layer. Adding an octave higher layer can also work for this purpose. You just have to see what works best for your track. I'm layering vocals for the entire chorus because that's where I want it to sound the heaviest. And I'm also layering some words in the verse where I want to emphasize. Yeah, mama just told me a bit different. I wanted to be living. Now we were just wide eyes. Couldn't feel the tension. Feelings caught. You was off your head. Let me quickly show you how I can make a layer. Let's say I want to make a layer for this part. Select it, copy and paste it onto a new track. Go to the region inspector and go up or down by 12 notes. In this case, the vocal stem is already transposed by 2 notes because I decided to raise the key of the original track by 2 notes in the beginning. So I need to go 12 notes down from 2, which is minus 10. 2. Making vocal chops. You can take a small part of your vocal stem and use it as a vocal chop throughout your track. Here are some examples. I took this part from the lead vocal stem. This is where I took it from. I first cropped this part out, lowered it by 12 notes, put fade in and fade out, and made this chop. This phrase was short and clear, so it was easy to take out and make it fit into other parts of the track. I used it as an accent at the end of almost every other bar during the verse. Let's move on to the next example. This is another vocal stem from the original track. It has this voice that sounds like shouting. It's coming from the end of the chorus in the original track. I cropped out the end of this voice where you can only hear the sustained note being released, so I could make a vocal chop like this. This is more like adding texture to my track rather than using it as a vocal element because the part I'm using sounds like a pitched echo. This is second verse without these vocal chops. Together. These vocal chops are not obvious, but they definitely help me fill up empty spaces and make this section sound less dry. From the same vocal stem, I also took another part which sounds like this. And realized that this part goes well with pretty much anywhere in the track, so I layered many places with this. No sweat, no tears, just glide. Better watch it first and you. I want to add that I'm only talking about how to edit audio files in this video, but you can also put a part of your vocal stem into a sampler, such as Logic's EXS24 and Contact Sampler, and use your vocal as an instrument, which is another creative approach. Lastly, let's talk a little bit about delay. This is my delay track. And this is middle A section where I'm applying delay a lot. I cropped out some words in the lead vocal, mostly at the end of phrases, and pasted them onto the delay track where I have Replica. Replica is a multimode delay plugin from Native Instruments. Let's listen to these vocal chops. With the lead vocal, the main reason for making these delay chops was to add space to middle A, where there's no melodic elements but only drums and vocals. Let me mute these chops so you can hear the difference. Now I'm gonna play them together. I could also make a bus for delay on the lead vocal and automate delay's amount or turn it on and off, but I chose not to do that because I wanted more control to use delay very selectively. Overall, my advice is to carefully listen to your vocal stems, find parts that are easy to crop out, such as the end of a phrase or a sustained note, and just try moving them around in your track. Take a part of middle A and try using it as an intro in your remix, for example. You never know what works. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out pointblankmusicschool.com to find out more about our music production courses. Thank you.